blessing after blessing after blessing. And this is one of my soothing songs, so that's what I take home. I walk a path of beauty, walk a path my ancestors gave, laid out before me. I make a path of beauty, hold my vision, roll my dreaming out before me.
One, I'm taking a lot of strength away from the stories and the experiences that my new friends have shared, and I take them with me. I'm taking away strategies for heart-centered communication. We've really practiced those, but I'm going to be able to take those home and just feel a lot more peaceful in my interactions. Myself, I'm working on the language with Barb. That's why I write with an eraser, because I can erase you.
I walk a path of beauty, walk a path my ancestors laid out before me. I make a path of beauty, hold my vision, roll my dreaming out before me. That's my weekend.